Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Antonettes Vignettes, and that's hosted by Decoratingantsplace. So the theme for this month is called Falling into Leaves, and her co-host for this month is Lisa Burningham. So what I decided to make in this video is a leaf placemat DIY. So let's jump into the video because I'm really excited. All the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. These crafts are mostly Dollar Tree items. So what I think is really neat is that I use one of the chopping mats that the Dollar Tree has, and they come two in the pack. Then I bought some of the loose leaves. You get 50 in a pack of those, and we used maybe 2 packs to create this craft, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. So what we'll be doing here is we're going to place the center leaf, and then I'm going to go out into a corner. So I am going to be doing this in a pattern. You can do this any way that you would like and create whatever pattern that you think that you might love. So I'm going from the center down to each corner, and then I'm going to start filling in the leaves from there. So that's what you'll be seeing me do right now. Not only do I like the vibrant colors of the leaves, but because it's so budget friendly, you can actually make a runner. You can make 4 placemats or table settings for however many people you have. But this is absolutely beautiful. And I think a table runner will look I think I may make one, will look just as beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna let you watch the rest of the video as I place these leaves. So let's jump into it, guys. What I did notice in the bags of the leaves is that you did have a couple of the metallic gold leaves. So those I carefully placed on top so that it would give it a nice pop and you see that shine. So we're almost done placing these leaves and look how fabulous this is coming out. I absolutely love it. The colors are vibrant and this definitely would cost more money if you purchased it outside. So we made this for $2.50. Isn't that awesome? So now we're going to get ready to reveal this in the vignette. So see, that looks so beautiful. So what I decided to do with the extra leaves is use this wire basket and place some of the leaves in the back of that. And now I'm going to continue decorating the vignette. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. So I do want to take a quick moment and thank Decorating Ant's Place for hosting this collab and the co-host Lisa Burningham. This collab was amazing.